Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install a replacement filter on your 2.3 to 2.7 2022 Bronco. So you're going to start by loosening these 4 bolts, removing the push-in rivet, and then lifting up the top. Now you can just slide your stock filter right off and replace it with the S&B one. There's no clamp required, so just make sure it's sitting snugly on the intake tube. Once the filter is fully seated, you can then reinstall the lid and secure it down. And don't forget the push rivet at the front. Alright guys, so the OEM replacement filter for the 2.3 and 2.7 liter Bronco is super easy, but if you have any questions, you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.